Hi Craig, my name is Bill Hoover with Tameron Hyundai. We really appreciate your interest in our pre-owned department, and you have selected the 2004 Lexus RX330. This vehicle's in great shape. It's really loaded with a lot of options that I know you're going to love. I want to show you some things up front. The classic Lexus grille, projection headlights, alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. Step around to the inside. It has a roof rack and a sunroof, leather interior throughout, has navigation, cruise control, power seats, a lot of the features that I know you're going to like, AM, FM, XM radio, CD player, power liftgate, power mirrors, power seats. What I'd like you to do, it also has heated seats. What I'd like you to do is come and see me at 1591 Montgomery Highway. We're located right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank. Here at Tameron Hyundai, I know you're going to love the way you're treated. Call me at 205-380-6250. Let me know when you're going to be available. I'll make sure that this car is ready for you when you arrive. I know you're going to enjoy it when you take it out for a test drive. Could be in your driveway as early as this afternoon, Craig. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated, and I'll see you soon.